Hey everyone, welcome back. It's Jojo.
And Truth Spa.
It's time to go to the high zone. Okay, so
Yes, let's go.
let me quickly tell you the weirdness that has happened. I dropped Red Light on Tala Anjum's birthday. That
Yes.
reaction, it had Somi Chauhan in it. It was a High
Yeah.
Zone Records song. We haven't reacted to a Somi Chauhan track since November 2020 when we reacted to Showstopper. And then
Yes.
and then the day I dropped that, Tala Anjum dropped a track with Somi Chauhan on High Zone Records that evening.
अगर कोई शक की गुंजाइश थी कि ऐसा ये कुछ कनेक्शन नहीं हो रहा है कि ओ बाय चांस हो गया ओ बाय चांस आई डोंट थिंक इट्स एनीथिंग नाउ इट्स नॉट बाय चांस एनीमोर
And it's so weird that
What's
Red
going
Light,
on?
it's so weird that that Red Light was, so we didn't plan to react to Red Light as a birthday special for Anju. We had reacted to it anyway the previous week. And then
Yeah.
then someone DM'd me and said it's Tala Anjum's birthday on such and such date. And I was like, oh great, I have a reaction to one of his songs recorded. I'll release that on his birthday. Which is why I dropped it that day. And I don't know, man.
This is amazing. Joe, is there something you're not telling me? Are you like secretly in touch with them and like I just don't know about it? Is that what's going on?
If I was, I would have invited them on Real Talk already, but I'm not in touch with them. And I keep
Can
getting
their manager or
DMs.
someone please connect to Jojo with like for Real Talk? Why not?
I think I will have to initiate that, but I'm just saying I'm not in touch with them. I don't know.
इतना formal नहीं होने का. गाने तो drop कर ही रहे हैं ऐसे back to back कुछ तो connection हो ही रहा है. Like you know ये this is beyond just this is now going even beyond serendipity. Like come on.
I just get shocked with each occasion it happens. So now Somi Chauhan,
Yeah, it's amazing.
and Tala Anjum are on a track. Let's do it. It's called Marjania.
Let's do this. Marjania. Let's do.
Ready. 1, 2, 3, play.
तेरी कहानियाँ मेरी जुबानियाँ दस दिन तेनू मैं मेरी हैरानियाँ सारे बहाने मैं तेरे जान दी चुल विच पावां मैं प्यार कहानियाँ हुण बोल तू सब मर जाने तेरी सुनिया मैं किन्नियां कहानियां मैनू सब तो सुना मैनू गैर बोला दिता सब मैं भुला हुण बोल तू सब मर जाने तेरी सुनिया मैं किन्नियां कहानियां मैनू सब तू सुना मैनू गैर बोला दिता सब मैं भुला
तेरा नाम लिखा साहिल पे लहरों से डरे अब उम्र भर तेरा नाम लिखा रास्ते पे सफर में ही जैसे मेरा घर तेरे नाम पे मिट जाऊं हो जाऊं फना तू हुक्म कर तू ही मेरी निजात हर सितम से फिर क्यों तू है सितमगर मुझे समझ है कि तेरी नजर में मुझसे कुछ बेहतर है अब रहता नहीं मैं तेरे दिल में अब बॉय तो यहाँ लाखों लोगों का रहबर है पर लगता है जैसे तेरा वापस आने का अब कोई इरादा नहीं तेरी आंखों में देखा है मैंने अब उनमें भी वफा का वादा नहीं सच हमेशा होता अकेला सच सुनने का सब में मादा नहीं जो करे पूरा तेरे वजूद को उसके बिन कैसे तू आधा नहीं स्मोक ही स्मोक है लोग हैं फिर भी मैं कितना अकेला सोग हैं रोग हैं भुट में दूध अंधेरा
हुण बोल तू सब मर जाने तेरी सुनिया मैं किन्नियां कहानियां मैनू सब तो सुना मैनू गैर बोला दिता सब मैं भुला हुण बोल तू सब मर जाने तेरी सुनिया मैं किन्नियां कहानियां
what the hell? Why? What the
How do they do this? कैसे अंदर जाके बिल्कुल ऐसे like you know it's like heart के next जाके they're like knock 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 knock. I'm sorry, I don't care how you're feeling. We want to make you feel a certain way, and now you're going to be sad the whole day because our song is that amazing and you feel it.
I still have goosebumps. I could have done with one more verse. The song was
I could have.
flowing so well. Oh, I'm gonna cry because I'm just like, I can't react to these songs anymore. I just can't, because they take you into a zone and you're just like, why? I did not want to feel this way today. Why are you doing
Exactly.
this? This is all.
You know, when you feel like you want another verse, and the way the flow of this song is, these are the kind of songs, वो endless loop वाला जो segue होता है ना, उसमें ऐसे गानों को सुनने का बड़ा मजा आता है. Because like, you know, you don't catch everything in one go. And the song is over, but you want it now because you're already in that feel. So now
Yeah.
you will listen to it again. And then you get something new out of it. And then they listen to it again. We know what they're trying to do. They basically want us to be hooked to their music and just never let go. It's already happening. It's okay. Abhi aur kya?
Okay. I'm just so, like, you know, I loved it so much that I hate it. I hate that I loved it so much. It's like I did not want to
Ditto,
be
ditto.
in that zone. Oh my God.
ये हमें ही ऐसा लग रहा है या आपको भी ऐसा लग रहा है? Like when you're
Oh,
watching
one
us right
second.
now, did you also, you know, go into that very sad feeling? Like it's that painfully bittersweet sad feeling ka zone. Are you going into lyrics? Are you?
I am.
As
We have to.
genius.com. Oh yeah, thank you.
Genius has
Very good.
not yet reached this song. This is
Acha.
snooplyrics.com. I'm gonna snoop around a bit. Yeah.
Very nice.
No, quickly, your like feel of the song. What did you think before we go to the
Feel तो बोल
lyrics?
दी ना?
हाँ, वही.
Feel तो बोल दी, इससे ज्यादा और क्या मैं feel
I
बोलूं?
just
Like
I
जो
the
genuine reaction था सुनने के बाद वो आ गया.
you know, this one Somi Chauhan on the hook, and that the lines of the hook were just like so freaking good that is like they drove the dagger through the heart. And then Anjum's verse just you know, like he actually tore the heart into two with that dagger. It's like bas ho gaya. और कुछ रहा ही नहीं है. That's just what happened through the song. The music, the vibe, even like his singing was so good. Somi, I'm saying it the right way, I hope.
Must be, yeah.
But yeah, I'm just so good. Okay, I'm gonna go through the lyrics now. तेरी कहानियां मेरी जुबानियां दसदी ना तैनू मैं मेरी हैरानियां सारे बहाने मैं तेरे जानती चुले विच पावां मैं प्यार कहानियां. कोरस हुन बोल तू सब मर जानिया तेरी सुनिया मैं किन्निया कहानियां मैनू सब तो सुना मैनू गैर बुला दिता सब मैं भुला हुन बोल तू सब मर जानिया. Okay, repeat verse Talanjum. Yeah. Yeah, I love it. तेरा नाम लिखा साहिल पे लहरों से डरे अब उम्र भर. I died there only. There only I died. I was like, you know, like,
Oh my God, that like, you know, if you just take that one line, how you've said it, and now we've just paused, it is coming, lehro ki tarah, it is coming back to me
My
again and again. The
goosebumps.
meaning, the thought.
Yes, I'm getting goosebumps again. It's like, you know, there is nobody on the planet who will not relate to this. Once bitten, twice shy, been hurt, do not want to go there again. Everything summed up
And
beautifully.
yet forgiving the person who you love, and yet, you know, how just the line before this was that, oh God.
And
this is
but
too-
that sentiment is beautifully captured in this one line. Like, you know, his lines are quotes, his lines are literature, his lines can be put into
Yes.
books and they can be read by generations to
Yes.
come. It's just I can't. Okay. तेरा नाम लिखा साहिल पे लहरों से डरे अब उम्र भर तेरा नाम लिखा रास्ते पे सफर में ही जैसे मेरा घर सफर में ही like the play there. तेरे नाम पे मिट जाऊं हो जाऊं फना तू हुक्म कर तू ही मेरी निजात हर सितम से फिर क्यों तू है सितमगर. I don't know निजात का meaning.
Najat means
I'm
like
just-
relief.
तू ही मेरी निजात हर सितम से फिर क्यों तू है सितमगर. ओह मुझे समझ है कि तेरी नजर में मुझसे कुछ बेहतर है अब रहता नहीं मैं तेरे दिल में अब बॉय तो कहाँ लाखों लोगों का रहबर है. अब बॉय तो यहाँ लाखों लोगों का रहबर है पर लगता है जैसे तेरा वापस आने का अब कोई इरादा नहीं तेरी आंखों में देखा है मैंने अब उनमें भी वफा का वादा नहीं.
वफा का वादा नहीं. Yeah.
You can see it in the person's eyes, you know. जो करे पूरा तेरे वजूद को, उसके बिन कैसे तू आधा नहीं. जो करे पूरा तेरे वजूद को, उसके बिन कैसे तू आधा नहीं. This was स्मोक ही स्मोक है, लोग ही लोग है, फिर भी मैं कितना अकेला. सोग ही सोग है, रोग ही रोग है, घुट में धुत अंधेरा. This, okay, 1 second, 1 2. It's literally 12 lines. 12 lines, and he has ripped the heart apart. And then chorus, repeat.
Yes.
Why does he do this? Why do they do this? Why? What is? I'm just so
हमेशा
angry.
होता है.
It's
इनके
just-
गाने सुनने के बाद then बस अब हो गया शुरू. Like I can already feel it. I don't even feel like I'm in my own zone now.
You know what?
It's difficult.
I just had an idea. I think
Yeah.
he should release a book with his verses in them, and they should be sectioned by theme. And there's your bestseller right there.
So now you know. Please, their manager, reach out to Jojo. There's some real talk we need to do with you.
Real talk, marketing ideas, is all there, right? I'm just saying that I am upset right now that he's taken me into this zone. I'm
too.
happy, but I'm upset. I don't know how to describe this dichotomous zone.
I'm 100% emotional and sad. So I have no idea what is this happy feeling which is still there in you. कहाँ से आ रही है ये? मुझे भी बताओ इस happy feeling का पता.
I'm happy that I discovered
I
a
know.
great new song.
I know. But like I get that. चलो यार चलते हैं. Okay हो गया बस. अब like
बस
मुझे
वही, like
वापस सुनना है गाना.
my overall sentiment is just why are you doing this to us? That's all I have to say. Now we'll take a leave on that note. Please check out Miss Bola's website. All her lovely audiobooks and audio shows are on there. It's linked below.
Thank you. Like, share, subscribe. Equal to.
Yes. And thank you, Talanjum and Somi Chauhan, for this beautiful track. We'll see you in the next one. Live long and prosper.
Bye.
Angry young woman.